All right, we're going to do 14 times 98 here, and we're going to do this in two ways. First, we're going to use the turtle method, and then we're going to make sure that we've done it correctly by verifying it. All right, so we have 14 times 8, and I'm doing my little turtle head here. All right, first thing we're going to do is 8 times 4, which is 32. So I put down my 2. I'm going to carry my 3 up into my tens place. All right, now we're ready for 8 times 1, which is 8, but then we also have to add in this 3. So we have 8 plus 3, which is 11. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to cross out that 8, we're going to cross out that 3 because we've already used them, and I'm going to put down my, that's right, turtle egg. All right, now I'm ready to do 9 times 4, and that's going to give me 36. So I have my 6, and I carry that 3. Now I'm going to do 9 times 1. That is 9 plus 3 is 11. Nope, it's not 11. It is 12. Okay, and now I'm going to add all of this together. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. And bring down my 1. My answer is 1,372. Now to check our answer, I'm going to take my 14. I'm going to break it up. So I have 14, which is 10. Oops. Sorry. I'm actually going to go with 4 times 8 first, and that equaled 32. Next, I'm going to take 10 times 8. That's going to equal 80. Then I'm going to take 90, 4 times 90. And that's going to give me 360. And finally, I'm going to take 10 times 90, and that's going to give me 900. Now, when we add that together, we end up with 2. 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 6 is 17. Carry 1. And that's 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 9 is 13. And we see that our answers are the same. So we have done it correctly. All right, we're going to do one more. This time I have 80 times 35. I'm going to do my turtle. All right, next thing we're going to do. 5 times 0 is, yep, it's 0, because 5 times nothing is nothing. So we're going to have a 0. Now we're going to do 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. So we have 0 and our 4. Now we have to cross off our ones place. There's nothing up top. We didn't regroup anything. Oh, I also have to do my turtle egg. All right, so now I can do 3 times 0, which is, that's right, it's 0. And now I'll do 3 times 8, which is 24. Add that together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 2. My answer is 2,800. But just to make sure, let's go ahead and do our partial products. So I have 0 times 5. That gives me 0. I have 80 times 5, and that gives me Oops, not 80. That gives me 40. Is it 40? No, it's 400. All right, then we're going to do 0 times 30 gives me 0. And 80 times 30 gives me 2,400. All right, and we're going to add it. Now you'll notice here that I really didn't do a very good job of lining up my place values. I really should have lined them up a little bit better. This is probably going to cause me to make some silly mistakes. So lining those numbers up is super, super, super important. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to go ahead and take this, I'm going to cut it out, and redo that. So I've got my 0, I've got my 400, got 0, and then this was 2, 4, 0, 0. All right, now I have 0, 0, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 2. And I have the same answer. So there you go. All right, I'm going to have you go ahead and stop the video here, and I would like you to complete these 4 multiplication problems and submit them in Otis under the multiplication assignment for today. Thank you.